this video, I have a ring light to review for you, and this is it right here, the Yeskar 14-inch ring light. So this is how it's going to come boxed should you decide to order this unit right here. I got this from Amazon. Again, it is from the Yeskar brand. I do adore the Yeskar brand because I do have one of their mini ring lights that are used for my mobile phone photography and my photos for Instagram. I'll have that video linked down below because I did do that one some time ago, so I'll leave it linked so you can check it out just in case you're into phone photography and Insta videos. What's that new thing that everybody's going crazy over? TikTok. I've yet to start a TikTok account, but I probably won't be doing that. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into this baby right here. Now you do get the light. It is 14 inches. You do get the stand as well and the power source, the power cord that comes with it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. I'm actually going to set, well, you know what, to be honest, I have it set up right now. This is the actual lighting that I'm using right now, guys, and it is actually bomb.com, and this light was so cheap, so affordable. Like I said, be sure to check out that link down below in the description box and get yourself hooked up with this light, as it is so affordable. Now this is the light right here. I'm actually using it. Now I'm going to take my camera off the stand right now and show you the actual stand and the light itself. So okay, here is the light setup right here. As you see, this is it. This is 14 inches and it is so luminous, so bright. You do have little knobs here on it. You probably can't see them, but I'm gonna do the best I can with showing you with this light going. But you have one that will make it dimmer and it will turn it into yellow light should you want yellow light. I don't know why anyone would want yellow light, but it does that. And then this one dims it and cuts it on and off. Well, yeah, maybe that's what we needed. We needed it dim so you can see the knobs. So it does have the two knobs here. It has the spot where you would attach your phone holder here, or your what do you call this, your hot shoe for your camera. It will sit right here. But yeah, this is it, and it comes on this stand here. There's King and Honey. King and Honey, say hello. Okay, they're not interested right now. They just say hurry up. But yeah, this is the stand here. And this is the actual light. So nice. I love the size. And as you see, I'm on travel. So yeah, I actually traveled with this. So yeah, it's perfect. The perfect size to use at home. Perfect size for packing up and traveling with. I highly recommend this light. Super sturdy, super nice, very affordable. Get your hands on this one. I'm actually going to grab a second one. I literally just said that. I have to have another one. But yeah, that is it for me, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there will definitely be another video. Bye.